Hi, and welcome back to another video. Alright, in this one we're going to be going up to Airlie Beach and out to Shute Harbour. Yeah, it's a great drive out there. If you've ever been up that way, you go in from Proserpine and you turn into there and you head out to, you go through Cannon Vale. In the video I say Gordon Vale, but I do correct it and say Cannon Vale. I got it mixed up. Gordon Vale's up near Cairns, but I don't know why I said Gordon Vale, but anyway, you get the idea. We go through Airlie Beach and then out to Shute Harbour, go over the range and whatever. I brought my drone with me. We throw that in the air and I do a bit of footage around the harbour and all that sort of stuff. So, it looks pretty good from the air, so I'll probably do a bit more of that where I can and whatnot. So it's just a bit of an introduction to the video. So hopefully you enjoy it. It's not too bad. So a few people have been liking them so far, so I'll probably keep doing them. So so thanks for watching so far. So we'll get into the video. So hopefully you enjoy it. Okay, we're gonna head into Airlie Beach now. We're just coming in from Proserpine, heading into Airlie Beach. Gonna go to Shute Harbour, drop a pallet off out there. So, it feels like you're out in the middle of nowhere here. Like just all farmland and stuff like that. But when we get into town here, the view when you come over the hill is pretty good. So we'll show that when we come into town. Pretty nice view out here, big mountains and stuff. Alrighty, just coming into a little town called Gordon Vale, which is just before Airlie Beach. And you're coming in here, the golf driving range there. Yeah, it's a nice little town here, holiday destination. So a lot of people live here, but a lot of people come up here for a holiday. This place is called Gordon Vale. No, Cannon Vale, sorry, not Gordon Vale. Cannon Vale. Gordon Vale's up near Cairns. Jeez. Shopping centre and stuff over here. Out of Gordon Vale now, so we're going to go up over this hill here, which will take us to Airlie Beach. So there's a really nice view up the top of this hill here. So I've zoomed it in a bit. You might be able to see it a bit better, but once you come over this hill here, look through the trees here. That. A lot of money sitting in there. Pretty nice out there. definitely nice. Alright, we'll be back in a minute. Alright, we'll get a bit of footage of the range going up here out to Shute Harbour. It's pretty steep here, so it's a bit heavy. Where we're going to Shute Harbour, it's like a barge terminal there where they take stuff over to Hamilton Island. So that's where I'm dropping off, just one pallet of freight there and yeah, go over to Hamilton Island. Game going over there on a push bike. Scenic flights all around the wet Sundays. just here on the way back, and I'll get my drone out and I'll get some footage of my drone, either there or just down here. There's no one parked here, so yeah, I might just do it just here. This little pad here. We'll get some footage. Yeah, it's all nice out here. Here we are. Pull into here and I'll get this pallet off and I'll be back. Alright, see you soon. Alrighty, done my delivery there at Shute Harbour. That's all done now, so it's on a, it'll go over to Hamilton Island probably tomorrow or something like that. So, yeah. Yeah, so I pulled up on the side of the road here, so I'll get my drone out and I'll have a bit of a fly around. It's a bit windy, but yeah, we should be right. But I'll see if I can get a bit of footage here. You get a bit of a view of the water here, and Hamilton Island's just over there. So yeah, get a bit of a do a bit of a fly around anyway. But it is, yeah, it's quite windy, so I don't know how it's going to go. But if there's no footage, well, it didn't work too well. So, but if it did, here it is now. Alright, just finished with the drone. So yeah, hope you like the bit of the footage there with the drone. It makes a different perspective on stuff, hey. Hopefully it looked alright. Oh, that sun's annoying. Yeah, hopefully it wasn't too bad. Yeah, so that's the what it looks like around here anyway. That's yeah, Hamilton Island just over here, I think that's it there. Not sure, but pretty sure that's Hamilton Island. But yeah, there's a few other islands out there that you would have seen from the aerial shot there. Yeah, alright. Well, now we're going, oh, what do I got to do now? We've got to go up to Townsville. I've got a couple of drops to do there in the morning. But I might just make this one just a quick video of just Airlie Beach here, you know. Yeah, you've seen the range coming in. That we, obviously this road down here. Yeah. Whatever, but I might just make this video just a nice short one. Just of this area, Airlie Beach and that. There's a good view out when we first come in. And a lot of money sitting in there with boats and stuff. So, yeah, but it's a nice area around here. If you ever come up for a holiday or whatever, yeah, go over to Hamilton Island. So, yeah. Alright, we'll get up it and yeah, we might get a bit more footage before I pull up tonight sort of thing, but yeah, so thanks for watching anyway, all my videos so far. I appreciate all the messages and that I've been getting. I was just sort of stuffing around, you know, like, yeah, thought I'd make a couple of videos of what I do and whatever, but yeah, people seem to be liking them, so looks like it might be something that I'll be doing from, yeah, a bit more. So I've got another camera that I'm getting. It should be here next week, a little GoPro camera, and it's got all the attachments and that, so yeah, put it on the mirror when I'm reversing, and I might be able to mount it on the seat, looking out the windscreen sort of thing where I'm sitting. Just a couple of different angles and stuff like that, so instead of just using my phone all the time, put it on a tripod so you can see me disconnecting and hooking up and maybe fueling up too, I suppose, or whatever. But yeah, they'll get a bit better, I suppose, as time goes on, different camera angles and stuff like that. So, but yeah, thanks for watching so far, and yeah, we'll get going. Thank you. park in here. Looks like we might be lucky. Plenty of room. Beautiful. It's a nice looking truck. Shoo-wee. It's not bad at all. Alright, we're in Townsville now, so I'll go get a feed and yeah, I'll be back. Okay, we're in Townsville now, so we're all done for the day. For the night, I should say. So I've got a few deliveries to make in the morning, and then we'll be heading back up to Cairns again. Yeah, this will do for this video, so I just grabbed a feed. It wasn't actually too bad, actually. Got a drink, sandwich, a roast meal, takeaway thing, and a coffee. It was only 26 bucks, so yeah, not too bad at all. Usually, it's pretty dear when you're out on the road, you know, like, yeah, it's the hardest thing about driving around. If you don't bring your own food and stuff, it gets quite expensive. So, but anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I did. Yeah, got a bit of drone footage there down there at Airlie Beach, our way to Shute Harbour. But I'm going to look at doing more of that too. So, yeah. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your comments and that. I appreciate it all. Yeah, I'm going to try and do a live video. I don't know if I meet the requirements yet, because I don't have many subscribers, but I want to do like a live video, you know, once a week or something like that, where you can ask questions and stuff like that. So yeah, looking forward to that. Yeah. So cheers for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye for now.